I heard you came for the hearts. So let's just get into it. So first one, these heart vases. Vase. I actually printed it at 150%. You get to learn vase mode and Cura. Vase mode prints it in one continuous string. It's the same as those old games where you used to have to try and stay in the lines and not lift up your pen. That's basically what vase mode is. It's going to finish your entire print without stopping and lifting up the extruder, the nozzle, the pen, whatever you want to call it. This heart box was a few different prints. You can print the inserts in different colors. You can have it the same color. You can glue them in. You can leave them out so that they're exchangeable. Change them depending on the mood. They're actually a pretty cool print. Something simple like this heart ring holder. This is made with Zeros. The brand Zero has a red silk filament. Decided to make it in that. Find a filament that you like. Print something like this. Comes out as a great gift or a great little decoration. I love dog signs, or these I heart dog signs. Also two-tone. You print the exterior side, and you print the interior color. Scale them up to whatever size you want, or scale them down to whatever size you want. A little glue, a little tacking them together. Put them on a bookcase, put them on the wall. Helps keep you out of the doghouse, which is always good. These trays are for what's called diamond painting. There's a huge community of people that enjoy working on these projects. They say it's calming and relaxing to put something in the background and do a little bit at a time. Maybe it's something similar to coding. Anyways, my wife enjoys it and has asked me to make these trays for her. You can find many different models online for free. If you don't see exactly what you want, take an existing model, throw it into something like Tinkercad, and change it into what you want it to be. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. What do you think, Blakey?